Imagine where innocence is back in your life. Imagine you are back when you become a child again. So that is where this show is all about. It's about us seasoned artists going back to the basics, finding the simple things in life that means creating works without boundaries and having the freedom that is limitless.
I was born in a rubber estate. I have a very interesting childhood life, like swimming in the stream, climbing tree, looking at the sky. Because I got no much of the material to draw, looking at the sky, I see a lot of interesting images. I can imagine that. There's no boundary for my wonder.
I really love art, and art is my exit from this world. I always imagined that I could ride the clouds to a fairyland, a place where only my mind and my imagination can survive. It allows me to make animals that even do not exist in this world, a kind of a hybrid. The simple question of what if I mix this animal and that animal.
This collaboration works like having a conversation with a familiar stranger, material-wise, that is ceramic and metal, bronze. For me, that is something new experience, but yet it still works. I think it still works. Anything also can combine together, depend how it looks like, depend how you want to express. Even water and ceramic, water and with the bronze, no problem at all. Also, another side is to work together with others, communicate with others, not only individual, but sharing.
I think I have no issue collaborating with Mr. Chin, because I think as a sculptor to another sculptor, it's quite easy. There's no boundaries, there is a lot of freedom, so we are allowed to create whatever we want. We have actually done 3 collaboration pieces. One is an installation. 2 more pieces is with bronze. One of the pieces, you can actually see that the clouds is actually penetrating the brain and goes out the other side, So it's very interesting for me to imagine. It's like, what if your imagination can do that, In real life, you can't, but in your imagination, there is no restriction. That is what we want.
Walk around and see and hope that this can open up the boundaries of imagination, that to have back to some memories in your childhood.
Hopefully, this whole exhibition will resonate with everyone. And when you come to this exhibition, it's an experience. Hopefully, it will give you the motivation to find the simple happiness of your own when you were a child again, and to revisit the simple things in life that truly makes you happy. I am James Seet. I am a sculptural artist.
I'm Wan Kee, a bronze sculptor.
Welcome to Imaginarium, and welcome to the world beyond your imagination.